Hey guys, so today we're going to be making a super fast paper airplane that looks like this. So all you need is a piece of paper, and the first thing you're going to do is fold it in half. So that you get a crease down the center like so. You're going to open it back up. Now you're going to take this tip and you're going to fold it down to the center. You're going to repeat it with the other side. And you should get something that looks like this. Now you're going to take this tip and fold it down to the center again. Like so. Then you're going to repeat it with the other side. Then you should get something that looks like this. Now you're going to fold this about halfway back. And then after a couple of centimeters, you're going to fold it back like this. Now you're going to fold this in half, like so. Now you're going to take this and fold it so that this line matches this one, and then goes like that. And now you're going to repeat it with the other side. You're going to have something that looks like this. Now this is an airplane within itself, but to add the modification, you're going to bend the wings like so to make winglets, and then repeat it with the other side. And there you have it.